Pass the sculpture, but don't linger. There's so much to see in Kathleen Hutchison's Ancaster Garden. Many elegant sitting areas are tucked into the far reaches of the garden. Vines, such as mandevilla, climb trellises and arbors made by her husband, James. Kathleen is a gardener at the Royal Botanical Gardens, but spent a whole career doing interior and exterior plantscaping at Jackson Square Mall. Nestled among the many plants, the hostas, Japanese maples, and coleus are vignettes, tables with garden ornaments, or another grotto with a new vintage watering can and collection of clay pots. The garden is 30 years old. Furniture, plants, and accessories have been added over time. And exotic plants, some annual, some perennial, contribute to the always changing landscape. It's a deeply layered garden created with patience and vision. I'm Kathy Runwald for TheSpec.com.